Okay, so I'm going to model how you would use Own and Track for self-assessment. So you would have prepared the answers beforehand, thinking about likely errors or misconceptions that students make, and then you would model to them how you would self-assess. So first question, and these are the questions that you answered as well: how many studies were reviewed? It's worth 1 mark. Now, this student has put the answer 19. Now we know that's wrong because the correct answer is actually 26. Now what's happened here is that in the text, the students correctly found a number, but the number was related to something different. It was relating to the number of journals rather than the number of studies. So it's about paying close attention to the key words in the question. And the key word is studied. Second question. Pupil attainment, pupil self-assessment, increased engagement with what were cited as 3 positive outcomes of self-assessment, and it's worth 1 mark. And this student has put learning, especially goal setting, clarifying objectives, taking responsibility for learning, and or increased confidence. Well, actually, you know what? This was only worth 1 mark. That's an awfully long answer for 1 mark. The only answer we needed actually was learning. The rest of it is just wasted the student's time. So what we always need to do is look at number of marks. Often a good indication of how many points or parts to your answer. Question 3. The classroom culture has to be right for self-assessment to be of benefit. Teachers need to be committed to, ? 2 marks. Committed to learners having control over the process and to be able to discuss learning and develop effective student feedback. Okay, well that's brilliant. We've got the and in here, indicating there's 2 parts, 1 and 2. It's a 2 mark question. That is a spot on answer. Question number 4. Is it true students don't need to be aware of the targets they are trying to achieve in order for self-assessment to be effective? True. Wow, we know that's the wrong answer. So what's probably gone wrong here? It's probably been the question not being closely read, and it's possibly the don't that has thrown them. So what can we learn from this student's mistake? Read question very carefully.